Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Rayyan. In this class we have learned that how to build a hotel website in HTML and CSS. And previous class we have learned that how to build a restaurant website and I will then this class we have learned that how to build a hotel website in HTML and CSS. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and like my videos, okay? And you can follow me on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp. You can contact me in LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. Okay, so I'm not taking your long time. So let's start. Now, first of all, here I will go and here I will open my Sublime text editor. So my Sublime is open and I will erase this. Now I will open my index.html file here. Then go to the here. I will save here, refresh and save here, refresh. So it is coming. So I will go to the file, new file, new file. Here I will go file, save as index.html. Yes, style.css. I will go style.css. Then work. Save here, refresh. Done. Now here I will go and here I will save here, save to the here, refresh. So now first of all here I will write HTML tab so it is easily as come. So I will go to the here I will write document. Here I will write build a hotel website in HTML/CSS, and here I will write programming with Rayyan. Done. Save here, refresh, it is come easily as here. First of all, here I will go, here I will write link style.css. Here I will go, erase it. Now, here I will go to the here and here I will write h1. My h1 should be easily as here I will write easily as my hotel. Now, save here, refresh. So my hotel is come easily as to the here. So now here I will till here my work is done. So I will go to the style.css. Here I will write background image should be. So I will go to the here and here I will write Pixabay. Here I will write Pixabay. Now here I will go to the down. Here I will write hotel, and here hotel is coming. Many hotel is coming. So I will pick up a like. Here is hotel is coming. So like I will pick this hotel. Now here I will click. Here I will go to the here. Full screen, free download, till here my work is done. I will open my file, we will make. Here I will first of all here I will write URL. Now my image is downloading. So here I will go to the here, now it is download. Now here is my image, go to my desktop. Now here I will go and here I will write hotel. Now save, enter press, here I will go and here my image name is hotel.jpg. Save here, refresh. So my picture is come but it is not like good but because it is not fit. Here I will write background attachment should be fixed, background position should be center, background repeat should be no repeat. Here color should be FF, save here, refresh. So my picture is come alright. Here you can see it. My picture is come. Now here I will go to the here I will go and here I will write font family should be Montserrat, sans serif, enter press, save here, refresh. So it is done over till here my. Now here I will go to the here, enter press, here I will write h1 and my h1 should be padding should be 20 pixels, save here, refresh, so padding is alright. Now here I will go, here I will done over. Here now, here I will, first of all I will give him hover. So like hover should be his hover should be now. Here my hover color, his hover should be linear. Sorry, color not linear. Gradient, sorry, gradient is sorry, color should be his color should be comma, and here sorry not comma and his color, now his color should be red. Save here, refresh, so red comma orange and comma green. Save here, refresh, so it is not hovering, so I will only red. Okay, so that is done. Save here, refresh, so it is hovering to the red. Here you can see it. Now here I will go to the here I will go to the here I will write br not br tag. Here I will write h2 tab. Now here I will h2. Now my h2 should be easier. Here I will go hotel website. Save here, refresh, so it is coming easily as to the here you can see it, but his also I will give him to the here h2 his I will give him also the h2 should be his. Here I will go, here I will write text align should be center. Here I will go, here I will write pad, non only text align should be center. Save here, refresh, so it is coming in the center. So I will go to the here br tag many times. Here I will write br tag, like br tag. So and so here save here, refresh. So I will give many times br tag. I will erase this all. Save to the head. Refresh, so it is also not done, and here refresh, it is also not. Save here, refresh the, so it is also right to say this. Save here, refresh, so now it's alright. So here I will go to the here h2 size, font size should be 100 pixels. Save here, refresh, so 100 pixels is like good. So I will go to the color, his color should be yellow. Save here, refresh, so yellow is like good. So here you can see it, now it is yellow, not here I will like aqua I will see aqua. Save. So aqua like good. So it is aqua, and here I will go to the here h2 hover. h2 hover should be color should be black. Save here, refresh. So here you can black is not like black is no. Here I will give him pink. I will see pink is pink. So pink is like good, so here you can see it easily. I will make my how to build the hotel website in HTML and CSS with hovering, and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy. Well, like my video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Please hit the subscribe button, okay, and press the bell icon to the all. Okay, so I will meet you in next time. So for today, good